Hi future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we will feature another house here in San Fernando, Pampanga, which is Pueblo de Oro. So for Pueblo de Oro, they do have another phase, which is yung sa Unihomes nila. So as you can see on my back, we have the single detached. Frequently asked question, what's the difference between the single detached and single attached? Kapag single detached siya, wala siyang firewall, just like this. So you have your carport dito sa on your right side. Yan. So, tapos, para mas maging ma-enhance pa, pwede ka yun din magpa-balcony in the future dyan. Yan. So, tara, pasukan natin sa loob. So, this one has 70 square meter of floor area and a minimum cut size of 85 square meter of lot area. So, tara, let's explore.